to my channel, guys. If you don't already know me, my name is Brenda and I do makeup videos, vlogs. So I was on a hunt. Like, when I mean I was on a hunt for one of these, I was looking for a crimper everywhere. I went to every store. I was going all over trying to look for the bed head crimper, and I ended up finding it at Target, and it's this one, the bed head wave artist. And I heard really good reviews about this. I was watching videos on it, you know, everyone had very good reviews about it, so I decided to purchase it. I got it for, it was $29.99 at Target, but I'm pretty sure you can find it cheaper in eBay or Amazon, but I wanted to get it now, so you know, I was looking for it. So yeah, and it's ceramic, by the way, if you're wondering. Is tourmaline ceramic. It's a deep waver, so they're like very deep waves. They're not like those other waves that are just like, you know, little baby waves. These are like very deep waves. So if you don't really like deep waves, I wouldn't really recommend this one, but I do. Well, actually, to be honest, I've never really crimped my hair before, but we're gonna try it out today. But I like the deep wave look, so yeah. High heat up to 400, so that's a good plus. So we're just gonna open it. Right off the bat, it's kind of huge, like literally it's like half my face. So I wonder how that's gonna work out. The cord is pretty long. I think it'll reach. That's what I was worried about, because in some videos I saw the cord wasn't like, so they kept saying the cord wasn't long enough. Okay, I don't know. Oh, okay, so I didn't know how to open it. Okay, it has a little thing right here where it says lock and open. So right now it's unlocked, so you just switch this up, right? Yeah, you switch this up. Okay, and now it opens. It's kind of stiff, I don't know why. That's how much it opens. Thought it was gonna be a little more. So now we're gonna turn it on. High that way, low this way. So it doesn't have numbers, so you can't really tell how high you're going, but it says high this way and then low that way. So we're gonna just put it on the highest setting, and when it's on, it shows right here, and off the bat you can already feel it starting to get a little hot. Okay, so I already put hair protecting spray, oils on my hair. Yesterday I took a shower. I blow dried my hair straight. I used this comb and I was just blow drying my hair straight, so that's why it's kind of like this. While I blow dried my hair straight, I used this oil from the SGX NYC abracadabra. This oil right here is for dry and damaged hair. I have very dry hair, as you can see. Oh my god, I have very dry hair. Like, oh my god, it looks so horrible. It's ultra nourishing, smooth frizz, UV and thermal protection. Then while I was doing my makeup, before I did that, I just put this one from Kiss Argan Hairspray. Protects hair from heat damage, protect, hydrate and detangle. This little, I bought this one at the beauty supply store. This one works very good. It also works for me as I want to say a holding spray. It kind of like defines whatever curls you're making more, so I actually like this one. And I actually use another heat protecting spray, which is the one from Tresemme Heat Tamer leave-in spray. So that's all I put in my hair, and it doesn't weigh my hair down. Like, I've never, well, I don't know, because I've never waved my hair. I never crimped my hair before, so this is gonna be the first time I'm crimping my hair, so we'll see how it lasts throughout the day. So we're just gonna comb our hair, and the comb I'm using is the wet brush, this kind of comb right here. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking maybe about this section. I hope you guys can see, because my hair is black, so I hope you guys can see. This is the first time I'm trying this, guys. Like, I am scared. Like, I don't even know how to put it on. Alright, so I'm holding it like this, like with the words on top. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. I really don't want to burn myself. Oh, I almost burned my ear. I don't know, hold it for a few seconds, I guess. Can you guys see that? Okay. Right, and I guess you're just gonna be doing this all over your hair. I'm like, I don't know. Okay, so you see where it finishes, the crimp finishes, so that's where you're gonna start again. Okay, so then you start right there. I'm not sure if we should crimp the ends. I kind of want the ends to stay straight, but just a little bit. Okay. Okay, y'all, so this is how it turned out. I mean, just take this one. Try to get it as close to the root as you can. Well, I'm trying to get it as close to the root as I can. Just for a few seconds and then let go. I hope you guys can see, because my hair is like very dark, so I hope you guys can really see. I think the key, now that I'm thinking about it, the key to this probably is to keep the crimper straight as possible, because maybe you don't want your waves to be going different directions, you know, some this way, some that way, you know. It's looking pretty crimped, if you ask me. Maybe not how I expected it to be crimped, but well, okay, now for this side, like, I'm scared. Oh, I'm so scared to get my ear, dude. Okay, so where it ends is where we're gonna start another one. It ends, and then you start another one. It ends, and then you start another one. And you're probably gonna leave that straight. So this is how it turns out. I suck at doing hair tutorials, so okay, now as you guys can see, I'm just starting to crimp all my hair now. Well, trying to crimp it, you know. This was my first time using a crimper, so it was a little different, you know, a little difficult, kind of, you know, you can say. But yeah, it was just I had a hard time doing my left side, my right side. I don't know, it was just very hard for me to hold the crimper and just trying to have it even, you know, have it straight. That's what I meant when it was kind of different, because I couldn't hold the crimper straight as I started crimping my back hair, so that's why the crimps are looking kind of sideways. So that's how it looks from this side and then this side. So we're just gonna do that all over our hair. Okay, so I am going to be wearing extensions. It's a 9-piece extensions, are this ones right here. They are a 9-piece set extensions. I bought these at my local beauty supply. I think they were Remy hair, I'm not sure, but it's real hair. They're so soft and so shiny. So I'm only going to be using 8 pieces of this. This ones are 18-inch. My hair is longer than 18-inch. Yeah, I grew out my extensions, but I still wear them just to give me a little more oomph, a little more volume, if you want that. But yeah, so I'm going to be adding the 4-clip one, which is this one right here. Let me just comb it out a little bit. Well, you guys can't really see me putting the hair extensions, but I parted my hair a little above my ear to put in the first set of extensions, which is the 4-clip one. I don't put all my extensions in at once. I put it as I go up doing my hair. Does that makes any sense? So then I'm going in with the 2 hair clip extension, and I'm just clipping those on the side of my head because I think that's where I need a little more volume. My head is looking a little flat. But yeah, I just put those in, and then I take another hair piece extension that's a smaller version of a 2 clip. That's also a 2 clip hair extension, and I just put that on the back of my head. And then after that's done, I just crimp my hair as I was doing since the beginning. It looks like my hair is like on fire, as you guys can see by the smoke. I had the heat all the way up, but my hair is used to it. You know, my hair can take heat. That's why my hair is all dry already. But yeah, I left it maybe, I want to say maybe like 5 seconds or 6 seconds, depending, you know, depending on how big the hair pieces were that I got. So if they were a little thicker, I left it a little longer. If they were thin pieces, you know, I left it obviously less time. Okay, so this piece of extension came 3 of those exactly the same. The first one I clipped, as you guys saw, I clipped behind my head. The second one, I'm just clipping it on the side of my head, and then the third one, I clip it on the other side of my head just to give me a little more volume on the sides. I was listening to music while I was doing my hair, so if you guys see me like talking, you know, moving around, that's why. Okay, finally I'm taking the last pieces of extensions, which are the 1 clip ones, and like always I'm just going to clip that on the side of my head. I like my hair. I know it's like a lot of hair you're adding, but trust me, it just makes your hair look more big, you know, it has more volume, more shape to it. So I crimped the back, but when I crimped the back, I crimped it like, as you guys can see, like I'm trying to crimp my hair back so I won't have that crack in the middle of my head, you know. But yeah, so I get pieces and I just try to crimp them back so they could like stay back and give me a little more, like a little more volume in the back of my head, you know. Finally, we're on the last pieces of hair that we're gonna crimp, and then we're all done. This took a long time doing my hair. Crimping your hair takes a while. This was the final look, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. This is my first time crimping my hair, remember, so if I didn't do a very good job, don't judge me because it was the first time crimping my hair. Okay, yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you're new to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and show your girl some love. But yeah, guys.